Have you ever had that strange feeling that the world around you isn't quite real, like you're living inside a giant, incredibly detailed video game? Well, what if I told you that some of the world's most brilliant physicists are seriously considering a similar idea? Welcome to the simulation hypothesis, but with a mind-bending twist. What if our reality is actually a quantum simulation? Let's start with the basics. The simulation hypothesis, popularized by philosopher Nick Bostrom, suggests that our entire universe could be a computer simulation created by a more advanced civilization. Think of it like The Sims, but instead of tiny digital people, it's well us, and everything we see, touch, and experience. But where does the quantum part come in? This is where things get really wild. In our normal, everyday world, things are predictable. If I drop this pen, I know it's going to fall. But when you zoom way down to the level of atoms and particles, the quantum realms, the rules change dramatically. Particles can be in multiple places at once. They can be mysteriously linked across vast distances. It's a world of probabilities, not certainties. Here's the spooky part. This quantum weirdness looks a lot like how a computer simulation would work to save processing power. Think about a video game. The game doesn't render the entire world all at once, in perfect detail. That would take an impossible amount of computer memory. Instead, it only renders what the player is looking at. The tree behind you, it's just a rough outline until you turn around. Then, poof, the game instantly fills in the details, the leaves, the bark, the texture. Quantum mechanics seems to do the same thing. The famous double-slit experiment shows that a particle, like an electron, doesn't have a definite position until we actually measure it. Before we look, it's just a wave of possibilities. When we observe it, reality renders and the particle snaps into a single, definite location. Could this be the universe's way of saving on cosmic processing power, only creating reality when someone is there to observe it? Physicist James Gates even discovered what looks like computer code specifically, row-correcting codes embedded in the equations of supersymmetry, which describe the fundamental particles and forces of our universe. Why would row-correcting codes, the same kind we use to fix glitches in computer data, be woven into the fabric of reality? Unless, of course, reality itself is data. Another clue comes from the universe's own limitations. There's a minimum possible length, called a Planck length. You can't get smaller than that. This is just like the pixels on your screen. You can zoom in, but eventually, you hit the limit of a single pixel. You can't divide it any further. Could the Planck length be the pixel of our simulated universe, the fundamental resolution of our cosmic screen? So, if we are in a simulation, what does that mean? Does it mean our lives are meaningless? Absolutely not. Think about it this way. Your favorite video game character's journey is still meaningful within the context of their world. Your friendships, your achievements, your experiences, they are all real to you. The love you feel, the joy you experience, the challenges you overcome, those are all yours. The platform it's running on doesn't change that. This idea isn't just science fiction. It's a genuine scientific inquiry that pushes the boundaries of what we know about the cosmos. It forces us to ask profound questions about the nature of consciousness, information, and reality itself. We don't have the answers yet, and we may never. But the search itself is what drives science forward. So the next time you see a weird glitch in your day, a moment of déjà vu, a strange coincidence, just smile. Maybe it's just a bug in the code, or maybe, just maybe, it's a hint that we read part of something far grander and more mysterious than we can possibly imagine. Thanks for watching this deep dive into reality. If you enjoyed this journey down the rabbit hole, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-bending content. Let me know in the comments, do you think we're living in a simulation? See you in the next video.